Hello, everyone, and welcome to the PASS Summit. My name is Tom Carnevale, and I work as a data analyst with AgriService here in Washington State. In session 1261, we will be covering ways to empower non technical employees to use the solutions created by your company's BI team. Power BI reports are being distributed to many people who have never used reports like this before. Some of these employees may be a field technician who needs to see when parts are arriving, or an accountant who normally manually exports files out of an ERP system to determine your company's inventory. Power BI can be a great tool for employees without deep technical skills, but our company's BI team often needs to make some design choices on their reports, as well as improve our communication skills to empower these non-technical end users of the fantastic reports we have created as analysts.